Hello everyone, and welcome back to Introduction to OPCloud. In today's video, we're going to talk about Bring Connected Things feature in OPCloud. It is a very useful feature that will help you model more easily and quickly and help you with your technical abilities to bring things that are not currently in the diagram, but are part of the model and already connected to the things that you already select. Let's see an example. If, for example, we create a process and then do inZoom. Now, in this diagram, I don't have any other object here. If I go back to a different diagram and create a new object and connect it directly into the process, and then going back to this diagram where I want to bring it back, I can use the Bring Connected Things. We have two methods for it. The first method is to click on the new group Bring Connected Elements, and we have here the option to select out of 4. The procedural link with 2 options and fundamental links with 2 options. The default, and we can see how we can change it a little bit later, is marked for the procedural link. And once I click Bring, it will bring it to the process. Now, please note that we are aiming to bring only the directly connected things and not OPM-related connected things, meaning if a thing is connected to its father, it's also connected to its sub-processes and so on. We're not aiming for that. Let's see another example of what we mean. If, for example, I create another object, and then I will do unfold. Let's go back and create another object. And let's connect it again with a different link. Now we'll go back to this diagram and we want to bring it. Again, this is the default. And once I click Bring, nothing will happen as we didn't select the fundamental link. If I reselect it, and then I will select the fundamental structural link, I can unselect the other according to my desirable action that I want to perform, and then click back. I can see that now it brought us. This is the option from the secondary toolbar. We have another option is using the halo. If, for example, I will again remove it from this diagram and I will reselect it. Now, if I will click the Bring Connected Elements from the halo, it will use the default that I've already seen here, and it will bring us only if it's a fundamental, unlike it's a fundamental, it will only bring us the procedural link that are connected to it. If I want to change the default, what I need to do is go back to the setting menu under the setting page, under user management, OPCloud setting, and here you can see we have the default for Bring Connected Things. As you can see, it's marked what we are going to use as in general, and here I can select. Once I select the fundamental structure link, now it became the new default, and I can see it reflects on the name. If I will go back and reselect things, you can see that once I select it, it is already marked. And if I will use the halo again, now it will bring us also the fundamental link. So remember, you have 2 ways to bring connected thing. One, anyway, you need to select the thing, and then you can either go from the halo and it will use the default, which is set in the setting, or going to the Bring Connected Things in the secondary toolbar, which will also take the default, but you will be able to one time change it according to your needs. I hope this feature will help you. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel to see more videos in the future. Thank you.